Loom is a popular productivity and time management software that's gaining traction for its ease of use and ability to streamline communication. But before you make the decision to buy it, there are a few key things you should know to make sure it's the right tool for you. First off, Loom's main selling point is its ability to record videos instantly, allowing you to communicate more effectively. Whether you're sharing updates, giving feedback, or explaining a process, Loom lets you do it quickly and with minimal setup. Compared to competitors like Vidyard or Cloud App, Loom makes it easier to capture your screen and webcam simultaneously, making it perfect for team collaboration or explaining complex ideas in a visual format. Next thing to consider is Loom's simplicity. The interface is super user-friendly, which means you won't need a technical background to start recording. It's designed for both beginners and seasoned professionals, so you can focus on your content without getting bogged down by complicated settings. If you've tried other tools like Zoom or Teams for video communication, you'll appreciate how Loom keeps things streamlined without unnecessary features. The third thing to keep in mind is Loom's pricing. While it offers a free plan with basic features, you'll need to upgrade to the paid versions for more advanced functionality. These paid tiers give you access to things like unlimited recording time, better video quality, and advanced team collaboration tools. When compared to other tools like Snagit or ScreenFlow, Loom's paid options are fairly priced, but may not be as feature-rich. The fourth thing is Loom's integration with other productivity tools. Loom easily integrates with project management software like Asana, Slack, and Trello, which makes it a great addition to your existing workflow. However, if you need deeper integrations or more customization options, other tools like Vidyard might offer more flexibility. Another thing to consider is Loom's video editing options. While Loom lets you trim videos and add call-to-action buttons, its editing features are fairly basic. If you need advanced editing features like overlays, text, or transitions, you might find Loom limiting compared to other platforms like Camtasia or Final Cut Pro. Moving on, the sixth thing is Loom's cloud storage. Loom stores all your videos in the cloud, which is great for easy access, but it does mean you'll need a stable internet connection to view and share your content. This isn't an issue if you have good connectivity, but if you work in areas with unreliable internet, you might want to think about how important offline access is for you. The seventh thing to know is Loom's team collaboration features. You can share videos with teammates, get feedback, and comment on videos, which makes it an excellent choice for remote teams. However, if your team needs more control over permissions and security, Loom's enterprise-level features might be a bit lacking compared to alternatives like Microsoft Teams or Google Meet. Another thing to think about is Loom's speed and performance. Loom is generally fast and responsive, but depending on the size of the video, it can sometimes take longer to upload and process. This is something to keep in mind if you plan to record long, high-quality videos on a regular basis. The ninth thing is Loom's viewer analytics. Loom provides basic video analytics like views and watch time, which can be useful for tracking engagement. But if you're looking for detailed analytics like heat maps or viewer behavior analysis, you might find Loom lacking in comparison to other video tools like Wistia or Vidyard. Another thing to consider is the privacy features Loom offers. It's important to know that all videos created on Loom are hosted on their servers, which may raise concerns about privacy for some users. If you work with sensitive information, you may want to check Loom's privacy policies closely or look into self-hosted video solutions. Next thing to consider is Loom's mobile app. Loom offers apps for both iOS and Android, which lets you record videos on the go. The mobile app is handy, but it's worth noting that it doesn't have the same full functionality as the desktop version. If mobile recording is a key feature for you, you might prefer an app like QuickTime or even native mobile screen recording tools. Finally, Loom's customer support is fairly responsive, but the level of service you get depends on your pricing tier. Higher tier plans come with priority support, while free users may experience slower response times. If you value quick and personalized customer service, this is something to keep in mind when deciding which plan to go for. So, is Loom worth it? In many cases, yes. It's a simple and efficient tool that helps streamline communication and collaboration.